Hello, Namaste, Praise the Lord, Sastri Akal, Vanakkam, Sakshat Pranam, Salam Walaikum सभी को. Today, myself Daniel Peter, I am saying you about the topic the turbine blades and compressor blade installation methods procedures. How they are done, how it is done. So please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and with your love, peace, and harmony. Okay. Now let's start about the turbine blade installation. For turbine blade, the arrangement is done by a method called as fir tree arrangement, which is the fir tree arrangement. Fir tree, fir tree arrangement is the turbine blade installation. Here we use a tab lock bending tool. Okay, we use a tab locks. This type of arrangement, this is also known as a tab locks. Okay, tab locks. Okay, or and also we use a tab lock squeezing tool. This squeezes by under the hydraulic pressure. Okay, this squeeze the all tab locks. Okay, at the stages. Okay, so this is about the this is all about the turbine blade installation. Now compressor blade, we also use the tab lock bending tool, as I did on the Pratt and Whitney engine in the engine overall in Air India. And also we use we use tab lock bending tool, we use the hammer also for the removal. Okay, and this tab lock squeezing tool is also used for them. This tab locks now, this is also used in the bearing installation also. It is used in the bearings installation also. Okay, so how the bearing is installed in the case of a turbine engine is by we let me show you a with neat level diagram. Suppose there is one unit called as a torque tube multiplier. This type of arrangement. Here the bearing is there. Okay, as a rough diagram. So this tool is called as a torque tube multiplier, and this is known as a bearing. Okay, now when your tab locks are installed over here, this type of disc arrangement like tab locks, this is suppose your tab locks. over your tab locks are there. So ये जो टैब लॉक्स है जब अरेंजमेंट की जाती है ये सब अरेंज किया हुआ रहता है. ठीक है, टैब लॉक्स, फिर बॉल्स, बेरिंग के जो बॉल्स होते हैं, बॉल्स, ठीक है, बॉल बेरिंग का. फिर वी इंस्टॉल अ दिस टॉर्क ट्यूब मल्टीप्लायर setting at an angle of 45 degree and we rotate zzz, zzz, one sound will come. So this way the top block, the bearings are installed. Bearing races, bearing also have your inner race and outer race. This is bearing. bearing के पास क्या क्या होता है, आपका inner race होता है और ये outer race, सॉरी ये inner race होता है, ये दूसरा end वाला ये जो पार्ट है ये outer race होता है. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों को अलाइनमेंट करने के लिए हम टॉर्क ट्यूब मल्टीप्लायर को यूज़ करते हैं. वी यूज़ अ टूल कॉल्ड द टॉर्क ट्यूब मल्टीप्लायर एट एन 45 डिग्री एंगल बी सेट एंड बाय दिस द बेयरिंग इज इंस्टॉल्ड. ओके, नाउ फॉर द compressors we use a method that is called as a dovetail method for the blade installation. For the compressor the dovetail is used. Okay, and for the turbine the fir tree method is used. Okay, now we use also the soldering, we use also the welding methods also. Okay, for the installation of turbine blades and this compressor blades. Now this is a diagram showing about showing about how a torque wrench is used to install a turbine wheel also. Okay, this method is also used. See this one. Okay, so this is a small video about the torque, about the fan blade, about the turbine blade and compressor blades installation. Now about the torque, now how the torque wrench is used and how the torque wrench is also used for calibration like inches pound to foot pound, how we convert it. So this will be discussed on the later video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Take care and be our Vasudev Kutumbakam, means the every world is our family. Vasudev Kutumbakam, this should be there, and be take care and be secular. All the best.